Welcome friends, my name is Yuri. Today I will show you what you will get if you will buy paid packages on TradingView. I will show you my personal benefits which I have as a top TradingView offer. Let's go to the lesson. Okay, first about TradingView and paid packages which you see here. The main reason why you should buy paid packages, and I will show you reason difference between them, which I personally use. If you want to promote yourself and your trading ideas, like you want to be top TradingView offer like I am, and you want to promote your trading ideas. Those traders who have paid packages, their ideas promote better, and more people will see you and your ideas. Indexation of your idea will be far better, because I remember when I bought it like 1.5 years ago, views of my ideas increased in 3 times. It depends on instruments. That's why it's the biggest reason why you should buy paid package. Let's take a look on packages and you will see the main difference. First, about difference, if you will have paid package, you will not see any advertising. You will not need to use it. Also, you will be able to, if you have paid package, you can comment any ideas and something like that. Also, here is also a huge difference between paid package and free. First, you can use different charts. For example, sometimes you can create 4 charts on one screen. That you can do only if you have paid packages. Devices at the same time. For example, if you want to work with someone and you want to build business, especially if you are a company, you need different people who will work on TradingView together, because it needs a lot of time, and you will be able to connect to it from different devices, like from one PC, from another PC. You will be able to connect your assistant who will help you. Also, other stuff which I personally use on TradingView, because I bought premium, I have premium. It is alerts. I want to show you an example, and I want to show you how it works. And as you see, for those who bought premium, alerts work all the time. Take a look here. I would like to open some chart. I want to show you an example of some instrument, and you will see how I use it in my personal trading. That means some stuff you can use in personal trading, some stuff you can use in just for promote yourself and your ideas. First, take a look here. It's alerts. As you see, it's alerts, and here is all information about alerts which I get from TradingView. Take a look here. It's an example. I want to show you example alerts which I have personally at this moment, and when you will see it, you will understand why they helps me trade better. First, take a look here. I set this alert on gold. I have 2 alerts, as you see, nearly this key level and nearly this powerful level before it. And when price will hit my alert, I will get notification here on TradingView. I will see it, and also I will see it. I want to show it to you. Maybe in a few seconds we will be able to see it. Right, alert here. I set alerts so close, and if price will hit it, you will see why you need to use it. And also in 2 sides. And also when price hit alert, I receive email, and also you can connect to SMS, and you can get message the price hit alert. It's amazing tool which you need to use in your trading, because for example, especially if you're a swing trader like me, you sometimes you can miss entries and opportunities, and when you will get such notification, you will be able to get it and to use it in your trading. It's example which I have here. As you see, I got notification, and in a few seconds I think gold will hit alert, and you will see on a real example how it works. Also, another reason, another difference between members who has paid membership and those who didn't buy it. Take a look here. I put my links on link on my website. You can have link on your website only if you have premium package. And also other difference. Take a look on my idea on TradingView. And if you want to have such signature, take as you see, I got alert, and I don't. As I think you heard that voice in microphone when I got this alert. I hear it, and always when price do it, I have notification. Also, as a premium package, here you can put your contacts. Like here, for me it's interesting to connect people, to increase my capital under management, also to sell some of my services, and here I can put links on my website. Also, you can share here your company, your ACO, your broker, and other stuff. And because of this link, it helps me increase people which I have here in my trading on my TradingView, my Telegram channel. Because most of people who came from me into my Telegram channel came from TradingView. That's why it's far easier to build my community when I have premium. That's why, friends, I totally recommend to you buy premium package, especially this premium, if you want to build your community, if you want to increase capital under your management. I recommend to use this stuff. Only for those who want to trade only, you can use this one. Below this video you will find a link where you can register on TradingView, and you will get CTUSD of bonuses for first purchase. It will be like a CTUSD discount for first purchase. Also, for those who interested in, if you are interested in increase your trading, you want to promote yourself far better, you want to build your reputation, like I did. Take a look here. For 1 year and nearly 5 months, I built such reputation. You should write to me, you will find contact, and for some corporate clients I can help you step by step to do such result, and you will attract so many traders around the world. Friends, thank you for your time. Don't forget, like is the best thank you from your side. Bye.